next tutorial of React. So in this tutorial we are going to see what are the functional components, and before that what are the types of components. So in React there are actually two types. First is function and second is class components. So functional components are basically the JavaScript functions. So as you can see in this documentation, they have given this definition that function components, these are function components because they are literally JavaScript functions. Alright, so continuing from the last tutorial, we will create one more component and we'll name it as dashboard.js. So this is a dashboard.js file. So I will import some React libraries. So this is React, import React from React. So this line will add the libraries which are present in the node modules. So this is a functional component, so I'll create a function with the same name, that is dashboard, and it is a plain JavaScript function and every function returns something. So this will also have a return keyword, and inside that it will return a DOM element. So this is just hello dashboard. Alright, so if I want to use this component inside some other component, so for that purpose I need to export it. So export default, the name of the function is dashboard, that's why I'll make it as default export. Alright, so this is the first component that just we created. Now we can import this component inside our app.js, and for that purpose I'll remove some other things first. Okay, so if I want to use it, then I should have a selector of that particular component. So dashboard will be the name of that component. Okay, so just press Ctrl and enter, Ctrl and space, you will have the import. So this is a dashboard, just you have to copy that. I think the spell mistake has happened, but you can just copy whatever the spelling is there as a selector. Alright, so once you save your file, it directly gets auto compiled, so you just have to refresh your page and this is your dashboard component, so it will appear hello dashboard. So this is what we have rendered our component. Now if I want to pass some prop is basically property. So if I want to pass some data to this component, so in that case I can pass it through the app component. Let's say if I want to pass the data with the name attribute, so let's say Jack is a name that I'm passing to this dashboard. So simply I can receive it using the props, and props are basically property bindings. So using this object you can directly print that using props, and whatever the attribute name is you're passing, you can print using this within curly braces. Alright, so hello Jack, that the name is rendered. Similarly we can also pass some object, let's say person object I'm sending from this, and it has some first name with ABC and last name as XYZ. Right. So basically this is a object. Alright, so I think we cannot pass in this format, so I can simply create a constant, let's say person name as an object. So this is a person name and I am passing it in this format. So inside my dashboard, even I can print that. So I'll add a breakpoint, and below that, so the props name is person, because we are sending it with the name of person. So first name is the key inside that, and secondly there is a last name. All right, so as you can see, first name and last name we just rendered from the parent using this prop, right? So this is how props and functional components actually work. All right, so let's summarize quickly. We just have created a normal JavaScript file. Inside that we have created a dashboard function, and that dashboard is returning some div. So this is a DOM, and first we printed this normal line using hello dashboard, and now if this app component wants to pass some data to this dashboard component, so in the format of attributes it can pass. So these name and person are the attributes. So name is holding just single string, and this person is holding an object, right? So using props you can access it inside the dashboard, right? So just you have to pass props as an argument, and then whatever the name of your attribute is there, right? Props dot attribute name and the key that you want to print. So within curly braces you can print it. All right guys, I think this is it. So thank you so much. If you like this video, so please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. All right, keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much.